Hello everyone, this is Debbie here. Welcome to my channel Evergrace. This is my first YouTube video which I am going to post, and as the Christmas season is approaching, so I thought why not to share the rum cake recipe with you all and the preparation and soaking of the cake fruits. Uh, this recipe I have been following for many years and I have learned it from an individual and also discussed it with many people. So I'm actually very late to soak these cake fruits because of some unavoidable circumstance. But still, I feel we are not that late. Only we have to keep some things in mind, which I'll be discussing and telling you later on. And the ingredients which I am going to include in this also will be in the description box. So let me show you how to go about cutting each item. So first we will start with cutting the cashew. I have taken the broken cashew. I sincerely advise you to use a knife and do it instead of putting it in a blender or a food processor, because you will get the evenness of the size. If you put it in the mixie or a blender, mixie or a food processor, so you may not get the exact size. Next one is the walnut. So just make it into half. This is already a half. Further cut it into half, and then make it into small pieces. When you cut all these things, it's going to be a little taxing on your wrist, so I sincerely advise you to take a break in between. I am very comfortable with the knife in my hand rather than using a chopping board. The choice is yours. The third one item is the almonds. Just hold the knife in the center and give little pressure, and it will be into two halves. And then cut it into small pieces. Not too small, just okay. Like when you eat the cake, you have to get that bite, that size. This one is a little bit big, so I'll just cut it further. Next one is the dates. I'm using a date which has got a seed in the center. Cut it into half, remove the seed and cut it lengthwise. So I'm taking all four slices lengthwise and just cutting into small pieces here. You may find that this date may adhere to each other, maybe a lump, but when you mix the cake finally, this will break, so don't worry. Next is the black raisins. Please don't use brown. The black one is the one which gives a very good flavor. For this, the best thing to use is your scissors. So cut it into half too. If you get the with the seeds, then you have to remove the seeds. This one is a seedless, so I just show you another one. Just cut it into half. It's the most easiest one to do. So here it is. So yesterday also I recorded this video. So one of the because of some technical issues, I could not upload it yesterday. So I ended up mixing it with the rum. So here is my prepared one, which is almost 500 grams. So don't be amazed with the quantity because it's all lightweight. So you may find that it is more than 500, but it is exactly 500. So here it is. And for this, you can use any brand of rum. So here, for 500 grams, I have used 1.5 cups of rum. So I'm just showing you, this is 1 cup. And this is another half. This is a little less, so I'm just going to pour it here. So this will go into it. Now after you have added this, actually if you would have prepared it months before, you may have to add up a little more. So what I told you in the beginning, that one thing which you have to keep in mind is please don't put more rum, because we are having just a week in our hand. So keep it less, otherwise the smell of rum will dominate the cake and it will be too strong. and I will sincerely advise you not to add anything more rum into it, because otherwise it will be too pungent. So next is, see, this one was prepared yesterday, so you can see on top it is little dry, and the down portion you can see the rum here. So what you have to do is you have to take a wooden ladle and just mix it every alternate day, such that the top portion comes on top and the dry portion which is on top goes down. This is the first time that I have become like terribly late in preparing this, but don't worry, this rum will soak up the fruits and it will be quite okay, not that bad. So if for preparing, actually I use only half of it, which I will be showing you on most probably on 21st of this month. This cake has to be prepared not a day before the Christmas, but very well in advance, at least 2 to 3 days before, such that the whole cake gets the flavor of the rum. And also the rum has got its own pungency, so that also comes down if you prepare the cake in advance. So you can see very clearly, because since I mixed it, the top portion, the moisture has come back, the cake fruits which were below have come up. So every alternate day you can mix the cake fruit with a clean dry ladle, wooden ladle preferably, and then you can close it and keep. And one more thing to keep in mind is, please keep it in a glass jar. Don't use plastic, steel or any other metal containers. So what I do at home is I use half of this cake fruits for preparing the Christmas cake, and then the half goes for the New Year. So after after closing this container, keep it in a place which is not directly under a sunlight. If you keep it over there, the moisture will build up and your cake fruits will go for a 6. So please keep it in mind. Keep it in a cool, dark place, maybe inside a kitchen cabinet. But every alternate day, just have a look into it. But when you keep it for a very long time, I have even used the cake fruits which I mixed with rum 3 months before the Christmas, and it went on till Easter. So in that case, you just have to keep on looking at the dryness of the cake and keep adding the rum. And as the days goes by, this will soak the rum beautifully, and it will be excellent cake. As long as it soaks in the rum, it gives a very good flavor. So this is the preparation. So friends, we will meet you in the next baking session, that is the Christmas cake baking, that is on 21st. And this being the first video of mine, I really sincerely hope that you will like it, and please encourage me by sharing your valuable comments, and please like and subscribe my channel. In future, I'll be adding some more cooking recipes which are more healthy, and any other hobbies of mine as the days proceeds. I have not decided yet. Currently, I am keeping it to cooking only. So guys, that's all. I hope this video will benefit you, and you'll also be able to cut the cake fruits and soak it in rum. So please don't delay. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.